Want to make sure you never miss a message from someone special? Let's make your Galaxy S25 Ultra glow-pink every time your sweetheart texts you. To do so, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Notification. Tap Notification Pop-up Style. Here, make sure it's set to brief. Then tap Color by keyword. In the keyword field, type the name of your loved one, let's say Joe, just like it shows in your notification. Next, tap the plus icon to add it. Tap the color next to Joe, and then pick pink. Now tap done button. As a note, the color will only work if the name in the notification exactly matches what you type. And that's it. Now, whenever Joe sends you a message, your phone will glow in your chosen shade of pink, a sweet little thought that makes your phone feel more personal, loving, and just for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.